Ah. Does it turn off? Do I have to do I turn this off for him? I don't know. I guess I leave it. He's got a dashboard cam. He's got a dashboard. Nice. Thank you, Bobby. Yeah. They got a camera system in the back. Like a little thing that points backwards. Fucking strange. I guess so they can record when somebody's tailgating them, they can call the cops or something. Yo, John, this thing's got a video camera pointing to the back of the window. What's this? Like, it's got a video camera pointing to the back of the window, like outside, so they can see who's behind them. Well, you can't. Oh, look, right here, look. Yeah, but look, it's right here, so I guess they can hit it and they can record shit. It's actually pretty cool.
That's exactly what that is.
Look, it goes out the front, too.
They're recording aggressive driving. That's nice cameras, I mean, you know.
Yeah. Is that what it is?
Yeah, I bet you.
Yeah, but that's a little extreme.
Yeah, I would think so. Sounds like a go cam, ain't it?
Like it's recording. Maybe they're recording they can hear us right now. They're recording it so they know what we're doing to their car.
Like you said, it looks like a go cam or something.
Yeah, like one of those GoPros. But it's not a GoPro, but it looks similar.
My brother got one. It looks real similar to that for frickin' $20.
Really?
Waterproof. When he was in Florida, he said he had like coupons and this and that. It was on sale. It was like $129 or something.
Yeah, they have the new GoPro. It's like an entry level.
It's not a GoPro.
Affordable.
It's not a GoPro. It's a different company. It's not, it's not GoPro. I don't know what company it is, but dude, the camera looks almost identical to that right there.
Gotta go mix it
Clear
together.
plastic case, it pops out of the case.
Yeah,
Stuff like
it makes
that.
it waterproof and all. Huh. Smile, you're on candy camera. Look, it's in the back too. They have a video camera in the back, like on the back window. They're recording them. That's pretty cool. It is. You know what that's cool for? That's cool for like street racing and stuff. Yeah. You know what I mean? You could see the people like fly by. You can see who's behind you. Right. But the only problem is you can't see, like, it doesn't work as like a reverse camera. Huh. So it's nice. Well, I know. It's almost like it's just for recording purposes. Unless it's one of those insurance. Yeah, but it might be one of those insurance things to record aggressive driving. I mean, that's a little extreme system to put in there, but I mean, I would put that in my car if they were paying my insurance for free.